Definitely gonna stick out the hood. Also, another thing I noticed, I'm gonna have trouble with the spark plug wire on this one, because I gotta meet a pipe here to connect towards the bottom. The 90 is gonna be so damn close. I'm gonna have to fix this somehow, figure this one out, or I'm gonna have to go with a turbo log, because I think I'm making it too long, and now it sticks up. It hits my radiator hose, right? So you guys can see it hits it. I would have to modify this already as it is. That'd be too tight. Plus the hood line, see, it's gonna stick out. I don't want that. So I may have to go with a turbo log. This was a good attempt for me to make, but I'm definitely gonna have to change my setup the way that I'm thinking. So in the meantime, I think I'm gonna go with a turbo log. It's already done, pre-made. Oh, and I forgot to tell you about this. My reservoir, it won't fit. And being close to this heat source is gonna melt this bad boy. So I would either have to move it, relocate it, go somewhere else, make a different one, put it in a different spot, like where the battery would be. Something. They gotta figure something out. So, but I need the turbo to be further back. So I'm gonna go with a turbo log. It's been tried and true and proven, you know. I thought I can do it myself, but for you guys to know, yeah, you better off getting the turbo log. All right, guys, we got a box, and we're gonna open this box right here. All right, been waiting for this. So let me recommend you guys one thing. We're gonna do a dry fit on this thing. And this is my turbo log. I didn't want to wait. It's going to take too much work for me to weld another one. And I still got material. I could. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't work, I'll make my own. But this is going to happen. This has already been made. Prefab. All done. Made for an LS. Whether it's 4.8, 5.3, 6.0, 6.2. It's still going to be the same block. It'll fit on the side of the head. Let me just open this up. Show you. Okay, so it's a box within a box. There's the other box, is this one right here. Oops. Sorry, I didn't show you guys a good cut on that one. Okay, that's what they give you to protect it. Alright, so here is my turbo log. Let me just rip open this package. I didn't spend too much money on this one here. It's already got the V-bands, probably 2.5. It's already got the T4 setup, okay? And it's also got the O2 setup. There you go. It's already T4 mounted. Let's see how well this is gonna look. It doesn't quite hit this. See that turbo one? The turbo log is a better setup than what I had. It moves it over, clear, right height. Now I gotta test the hood. Definitely gotta get a different coolant reservoir. Got enough that I can turn the pipe here and go towards the front. Go turn it here, go around, go inside here, or somehow figure that out. So they can come here and I get a big old intercooler here. Hold on, I gotta move my reservoir. My reservoir's in the way. Okay. Now I can get a big old intercooler here and have it come out this way somehow. Come out this way and come to the front. Gotta get this thing out of the way. This thing is in my way now. But this is what it's gonna look like. It's in the way. I'll figure that out. Maybe that'll be the route that I can go. Oh no, but I can't because the exhaust needs to go wherever it's gonna go. So I may end up doing a side exhaust. Maybe the metal fender is gonna get cut out, and then I'll have it exiting towards the bottom of the fender well. Let's say somewhere around here. This is the fender well here. Maybe it's gonna come out from maybe on this side here. We'll figure that out. We'll figure that out. But dude, I'm excited. Hey, this works. This works. That'll be a good thumbnail. Alright, so let me see if I can close the hood if there's any issues. Alright, I'm gonna do this real quick. Alright, hood closes. You only see that, that's it. I don't know if it's gonna hit. I'm gonna have to put a camera and figure out, see if it's gonna hit or not. But I got a feeling it's gonna clear it. Let me go look at a side mount here. See what sticks out. It makes it. Dude, it makes it. The only thing I may see an issue might be this rib right here. This little support. I mean, in which I can actually cut this out. Cut that out. Take this out. And I have more clearance there. So, or we'll see. We'll see how this works out. This may heat up my... I'm gonna have to get a blanket. I'm gonna have to get a blanket. Then this will heat up my plastic and might melt it. So it all depends how close that is. It might heat this up over here, melt it. Something will happen. It'll heat this up right here, melt it. Something will happen. But hey, here we go. That's the goal. Really mix this over here. And what I'll do is I'll fix this. I'll make this more of a... I'm gonna cut this pipe right here and make it more so that it comes out this way. Or I'll give me a water pump. The hell, somebody's got a pig out here. So either I give me a different water pump and make that water pump work with a different hose. I can do that. It'd be easier. It's cheaper to buy a new hose than to weld all that up. I could weld it up too if I want to, but what the hell? Hold on. Somebody's got a damn pig up in here. Somebody's got a damn pig up in here. What in the hell? Alright guys, so there's not much I can do today. There's prediction of rain, and I don't have a garage. So the pig is gone. The noise went away. In my years that I've been here, I never heard of a pig. Somebody having a pig out there. Whatever. I mean, Jesus. Anyway, that's done and over with, right? Just wanted to show you that I ended up getting a turbo log for my Sonoma swap. Okay, so the only thing I could do is just basically do a dry fit, install it, show you guys that it works, how it looks on an S10, the room that you have, all that good stuff. Okay, so because of weather, I can't do much. I mean, as you can see, it's cloudy. It's cloudy. So this is all I can give you for now. But I do have to actually weld some pipe just to connect the bottom on the turbo log with the existing exhaust. Simple. I can do that. I might just show you little snippets of that. No big deal. Moving forward, you gotta find the time. Weather. This whole week it's been cloudy. Look. It's been cloudy. It's been bad. It's like every day they're showing 60, 70, 80% chance of rain, in which you do get a monsoon season here, but we can deal with it. But nevertheless, moving forward, the turbo log cost me $260 eBay. It did have some casting issues. In other words, I can grind that stuff up and clean it up if I wanted to. I ordered it within a week ago, and guess what? It got here. Not even a week. It's like 4 days. So free shipping, $260 free shipping, which I've seen the normal price is like $287. So I was lucky enough to find this over here. It's starting to rain, guys. I feel a couple drops over here, so I'm gonna have to go and head inside. So guys, till next one. Yep, the struggles of working without a garage.